Welcome to Berlin, Germany, a city where history, culture, and modern energy collide. Today we're taking you inside one of the most iconic landmarks in the world, the Brandenburg Gate. If you're planning a Berlin travel itinerary, this is a must-visit place in Berlin. Today we're diving into one of Berlin's top tourist attractions. Whether you're a history buff, a travel lover, or just looking for the best Instagram spots in Berlin, stick around because this place has it all. Built in the late 18th century, the Brandenburg Gate has stood as a symbol of peace, division, and reunification. It was once part of the Berlin Wall, separating East and West Berlin. Imagine standing at a spot that once divided an entire country. Fast forward to today, and this historic monument is now one of the most visited places in Berlin. Whether you come during the day or at night when it's beautifully lit, the Brandenburg Gate is a sight to behold. Here's a Berlin travel tip. For the best experience, visit early in the morning to avoid the crowds or come in the evening when the gate is illuminated. Trust me, you'll get some amazing Instagram shots. And don't just stop at the gate. Right around here, you'll find other must-see places in Berlin like the Reichstag Building, the Holocaust Memorial, and the famous Unter den Linden Boulevard. This area is packed with history and incredible sights. Berlin is also known for its amazing cafes and vibrant atmosphere. Grab a coffee, soak in the history, and enjoy the energy of this amazing city. If you're planning your Berlin travel guide, make sure the Brandenburg Gate is at the top of your list. It's more than just a monument, it's a symbol of Germany's history and unity. Which Berlin landmark do you want to see next? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more epic travel adventures. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.